Tired of waiting in long checkout lines at Sam's Club? We're about to show you how to ditch the lines and make your shopping trip a breeze. First, you'll need the Sam's Club app. Make sure you've downloaded it from your app store and are logged in with your membership information. Once you're in the app, look for the Scan and Go icon, tap on it to activate the feature. Now, as you shop, simply scan each item's barcode using your phone's camera. The app will automatically add the item to your cart. You can view your cart at any time here. You can adjust quantities, remove items, or see your running total. Once you're done shopping, tap the checkout button. You'll be prompted to choose your payment method. After confirming your payment information, you'll receive a digital receipt with a QR code. Show this code to the exit greeter on your way out. The exit greeter will quickly scan the QR code to verify your purchase, and just like that, you're done. Enjoy the extra time and hassle-free shopping experience.